Hi students, in this video we are going to see the evaluation part of the Unit 3 Transport. Transport la first one choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following is an example of land transport? Which of the following is an example of land transport? Option A car, option B ship, option C helicopter, option D aeroplane. Option A answer is car. Second one, the first railway line was laid in dash. The first railway line was laid in dash. Option A 2019, option B 1853, option C 1947, option D 1950. So answer is option B 1853. Third one of the major cities that connect Golden Quadrilateral Highway is dash. One of the major cities that connect Golden Quadrilateral Highway is dash. Option A Chennai, option B Kanyakumari, option C Madurai, option D Tiruchi. Student answer is option A Chennai. Fourth one, dash is the oldest mode of transport. Fourth one, dash is the oldest mode of transport. Option A boat, option B cycle, option C walking, option D bullock cart. Answer is option D bullock cart. Fifth one, there are dash modes of transport. Question, there are dash modes of transport. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Student answer is option B 4. First one choose the correct answer in the book page number 121. Second one filling the blanks. First question, dash are eco-friendly to travel. First question, dash are eco-friendly to travel. Answer is bicycle. BICYCLEES bicycle. BICYCLES bicycle. Second one, dash has the world's highest helipad at the Siachen Glacier. Dash has the world's highest helipad at the Siachen Glacier. Answer is India. 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 Third one, dash is the most important means of public transport system in India. Third one, dash is the most important means of public transport system in India. Answer is bus. BUS bus. Answer is BUS bus. Next fourth one, the Chennai Metro Rail was started in the year dash. The Chennai Metro Rail was started in the year dash 2015. Answer is 2015. Student, next third Roman, match the following. Book page number 122. First one, International Airport in Tamil Nadu. International Airport in Tamil Nadu. Answer is Tiruchirappalli. Answer is Tiruchirappalli. Second one, important public transport. Question, important public transport. Answer is bus. Answer is bus. Third one, train from Kanyakumari to Jammu. Third one, train from Kanyakumari to Jammu. Answer is Himasagar Express. Answer is Himasagar Express. Next, fourth one, major seaport of Tamil Nadu. Fourth one, major seaport of Tamil Nadu. Answer is Chennai. Answer is Chennai. Fifth one, Chennai Metro Rail started in the year 2015. Fifth one, Chennai Metro Rail started in the year. Answer is 2015. Student, once again I read. International Airport in Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli. Answer, Tiruchirappalli. Important public transport. Answer, bus. Train from Kanyakumari to Jammu. Answer, Himasagar Express. Major seaport of Tamil Nadu. Major seaport of Tamil Nadu. Answer, Chennai. Next, Chennai Metro Rail started in the year. Chennai Metro Rail started in the year Answer 2015. Student, fourth Roman, true or false? In the book, page number 122. First question, transport is not needed for people. Transport is not needed for people. Answer is false. Second one, ports remain main centers of trade. Ports remain main centers of trade. Answer is true. Third one, roadways do not connect different parts of our country. Roadways do not connect different parts of our country. Answer is false. Fourth one, the Chennai official bus terminus is the smallest bus terminus in Asia. Fourth one, the Chennai official bus terminus is the smallest bus terminus in Asia. Answer is false. Fifth one, Tamil Nadu has 5 major ports. Fifth one, Tamil Nadu has 5 major ports. Answer is false. Student, now revise fifth Roman. Answer the one word. First question, which is one of the bus terminus in Asia? First question, which is one of the bus terminus in Asia? Answer, the Chennai official bus terminus. The TKC, the Chennai, 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 official, MOFUSSIL, official, bus, 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 terminus, 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 the Chennai official bus terminus. Second question, which is the only state in India that has more than 2 ports? Second question, which is the only state in India that has more than 2 ports? Answer is Tamil Nadu. TAMIL, Tamil Nadu, 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 Tamil Nadu. Third one, how many international airports are there in Tamil Nadu? Third one, how many international airports are there in Tamil Nadu? Answer is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Answer is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Student, now revise sixth Roman. Answer the following. 5 question இருக்குது. First question, define transport. Answer is, transport is the movement of people, animals and things from one place to another. Once again I read, transport is the movement of people, animals and things from one place to another. I spell with you. Listen. Transport, TRANS, transport, PORT, port, is TKC, the. Transport is the movement, 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 OF of people, 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 animals, 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 and and things, 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 from FROM, from one, one, place, 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 TO2, another, ANOTHER, another. Transport is the movement of people, animals and things from one place to another. Next, second question, list the different modes of transport. List the different modes of transport. The different modes of transport are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. The TKC, the different, DIFFERENT, different modes, MODES, modes of transport, 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 RARER, roadways, ROAD, road, ways, WAYS, roadways, railways, RAIL, rail, ways, WAYS, railways, waterways, WATER, water, ways, WAYS, waterways and airways, AIR, WAYS, airways, roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Next, third question. Describe railways. Name any two major links from Tamil Nadu. Third question. Describes railways. Name any two major links from Tamil Nadu. Answer is railways is the most important mode of transport which connects the states. Railways is the most important mode of transport which connects the states. RAIL, railways, WAYS, railways, IS is THE, the, most, 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 important, 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 mode of, MODE, mode of, of, transport, TRANS, PORT, transport, which, 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 connect, CONNECTS, connect, CONNECTS, connects the, the states, STATES, states. Railways is the most important mode of transport which connects the states. Example, Himasagar Express, Kanyakumari to Jammu. Example, Himasagar Express, Kanyakumari to Jammu. HIMASAGAR, 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 Express, 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 Kanyakumari, KANNIYA, KUMARI, Kanyakumari, TO2, Jammu, JAMMU, Jammu. Next, Tamil Nadu Express, Chennai to New Delhi, CHENNAI, Chennai, TO2, New Delhi, NEW, New Delhi, 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 New Delhi. Next, fourth one. What is an air transport? What are used for air transport? Fourth question. What is air transport? What are used for air transport? Answer is air transport is the fastest way to travel to different parts of the world. Air, AIR, air transport, 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 IS is the, the fastest, 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 way, 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 TO2, travel, TRAVEL, travel to different, DIFFERENT, different parts, PARTS, parts of the world, WORLD, world. Air transport is the fastest way to travel to different parts of the world. Next point, aeroplanes and helicopter are used for air transport. Aeroplanes, 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 and and helicopter, 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 ARAR, used, used, FOR, for, AIR, air, transport, TRANS, trans, PORT, port, transport. Aeroplanes and helicopter are used for air transport. Next, fifth question. Write any three advantages of transport. Write any three advantages of transport. Answer is, first point, growth of agricultural and industrial production. First point, growth of agricultural and industrial production. Growth, 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 of agricultural, 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 and industrial, INDUSTRIAL, industrial production, PRODUCTION, production. Second point, growth and trade. Growth and trade, GROWTH, growth, in, trade, TRADE, growth and trade. Third point, promotes of tourism. Promotes of tourism. PROMOTES, promotes tourism. TOURISM, tourism, promotes tourism. Students, now finish the second term social revision. Make use of it and thorough the syllabus. Students, listen and learn carefully. Bye. Thank you.